Hey there guys, Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another card making video. Happy Friday. I'm going to be using the Party Panda stamp set from the Celebrations catalog along with the Bubble and Fizz paper. I apologize because I didn't realize the camera wasn't on, so I've already done some things, but I'm going to walk you through it and so you'll be caught up. I have a piece of basic black that I cut at 4, you have to excuse my head, it's cramping. 4 1/4 by 11, and I scored it at 5 1/2. I have the requisite, is that the right word? Inside card layer 4 by 5 1/4. I cut a piece of the Bubble and Fizz paper down to 4 by 5 1/2, and then this one to 3 by 5 1/2. I used this layering circle framelits to cut out a circle. This measures right around 2 1/2. And then I used the 1 1/2 inch circle punch to cut out this circle. Both of those are out of Bermuda Bay. I'm going to be stamping our Panda and our sentiment onto a piece of Whisper White. And then I'm going to use the 2 1/4 and then the 1 1/4 inch circle punch to punch those out. Hope you guys have enjoyed this week using the Celebration stamps and other products. I enjoyed it. Don't forget that this is the last month to take advantage of it. It's also the last month to take advantage of the joining special where you buy, or excuse me, you get the starter kit for $99 and then you get 2 free stamp sets of your choice from either catalog. Oh my word, Misty, come on now. Which works out to be a pretty stinking good deal, if I say so myself. And then you can join our little crafting family. Oh my word, my hand is cramped. Ugh, help me, send help. Someone send help. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna heat this. Just hit this with my heat tool, excuse me, real quickly so I can move on without having to wait for it to dry a little bit. Since our basic black is a pigment ink and not a dye ink, it takes a little bit longer to dry. Oh no, I got to cut off a little bit. It rained every day last week. We got like 8 inches of rain and it's raining again. But I'm not complaining because it's better than a drought. And then this one for this one. Perfect. I'm going to bring in my Bermuda Bay and my Lemon Lime Twist markers so I can color his little party hat. Because ain't no party like a panda party. Because a panda party doesn't stop. Haha! So funny. Yes, I'm a dork. You guys love me for it. Don't forget, I still have some items in my D-stash. If you are looking to get some items on the cheap. So I'm just using my Stampin' Right markers, which you could absolutely get in your starter kit. I always suggest that you get something because I think the whole entire thing is like $120 and then you only pay $99 for it and then you get 2 free stamp sets on top of it. Like a huge deal. Like literally. That's enough of my spiel for today, okay? Okay. So I'm just going to add these with dimensionals. I'm going to add this with dimensionals. Always add extra. You don't have to use as much as I do, but I like to use a lot. I want to make sure it's grippy. That's grippy. So I'm going to put this about right there. gonna bring in, these dimensionals are left over from my paper pumpkin kit from February, and they are a little bit taller. Don't forget to get signed up for Paper Pumpkin because we're getting a free gift in March, and you have to be signed up by March 10th for that. So there we go, guys. Let me bring in the other ones. It's been a different week of cards, right? So this was Mondays with the, almost said penguin. That is a peacock. And then Tuesdays, right? No, not Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then today. So, all right, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.